Hi traders, today is 24th of September 2019. We are now live the Trading Crude Oil Market, WTI NYMEX, and this is live trading for November contract CLX 9. So we just received entry from London session, which is I sent out earlier this evening at entry to short sell at 58.01 and targeting to TP at 57.52 with stop loss at 58.35. So at this moment we are in the positive uh, territory. We short one lot position size with at this moment 4 ticks below. So the TP is at 57.52 as I mentioned in my live broadcast. So feel free to click the link at the description below. So you may find a free trial for 9 days, so you can see whether it suits with your trading style or not. So far this is a London session signal, so we are waiting in the next 30 minutes for US session signal. So at this moment we are still floating. Time now is 8:30 a.m. in the morning New York time, so I'm expecting for the market to go further down. So as you can see, the target is at 57.52 with the nearest breakout around 57.84. So it will be like this. So this is what I'm expecting for the market from my hidden volume signal. The signal provided from the London session. So let's wait and see whether this short sell position will bring us a profit throughout this day or not. So expecting for a profit about 50 ticks, about that 50 ticks or 49 ticks. So in US dollar 490 or 500 US dollar in profit. So my entry is a bit earlier. Sorry, it's a bit earlier. Sorry, I have to use trading view integrated with my TraderVet account, so can have a better charting explanation, because I'm not sure how to do this chart to see the bottom, because looks like it's auto fit whenever I try to scroll it down. So at this moment you can see the profit is around 70 US dollars. So expecting this is the nearest low further down to 57.52. So let's wait and see. That's the target at this moment. Maybe reaching 400 is good enough. 440, 450 also good enough US dollar in profit. So this is not a scalping, because London session I always provide my signal based on the hidden volume, and will take a few hours to complete. That's the normal condition for London session compared to US session, which is the volume kicking much more faster and much more stronger. So the market at this moment is quite hard to go below 57.94, which is the nearest low at this moment. So let's wait and see for the next maybe 45 minutes whether the strong bearish will appear or not. At this moment looking good for us. Still waiting. There's a nearest breakthrough here. The next nearest breakthrough is somewhere here. This is the lowest today, if I'm not mistaken, and still waiting for it to break the first breakout, the nearest low, and then the second low. At this moment, we still maintain 5 ticks in profit. Not much. Still waiting. In 20 minutes, US session will begin. Okay, guys, we are now entering US session in next 3 minutes. So time now is 8:57 a.m. in the morning New York time. So we're still waiting for the market to break through for any level of the lower low or the nearest low. But seems the market tend to go for the sideways movement. Still waiting for it to. So in terms of the hourly chart, and the market still on the just about our entry price level. The lowest just now is around 17 ticks, but I didn't close it because the target is far below. So still waiting. Okay, now looks like the kicking of the US session. So this is US session. As you can see, that's how US session react. The volume from the US session, okay, looks good. Penetrate downwards. Oh, looks fast. In a few seconds, luckily I managed to capture it live. So this is how US session have impact on the market. In a few seconds, they reaching 57.79. I'm unable to close my position because it's too fast actually. So now price reverse back to 57.98. It's very strong. Very strong. So still waiting for the market to move further down. There's a more high volume waiting at 57.76, 57.72. Looks good. We are positive 120 ticks at this moment. It's very hard by using this chart to see further down. So I will switch to trading view so we can see. Looks better here. So we can see also the profit over here. Please enlarge your own screen or zoom in. So this moment around 140, the lowest is 200 US dollar in profit. As for now, we've seen a spike on both sides. Market did go further down until 57.79. I didn't manage to close it, so now the market turned on the other side. The highest is 58.20. So at this moment we are on the minus in our account. So need to be careful about current condition because the market failed to penetrate far below this area. As per hourly chart, I'm still expecting for it to go further down, but doesn't look good at this moment because we are on the negative side and the market looks more interested to go for the higher position size. So let's take a look on the volume. On the higher side, only 58.40, 58.44. Okay, it's not good for our current condition at this moment. Market condition at this moment is very unstable. It goes up and then very strong pullback to the downside. Now we see the red candle. It's quite strong to push the price further down. So let's wait. We have put our stop limit just in case if the price reverse back. To go on against us, and that's the limit at 58.36. So once it go further down, so I'm expecting for it to TP somewhere around 57.52. At this moment, still hoping that the market can go further down to the positive side from our entry. It looks good. So let's wait. By the way, this is time frame 5 minutes. Okay, things looks good. Touch back our entry point at somewhere this price level 58.01. So I'm still hoping for the market to go further down, but it will be a very weird charting because you can see the market move a bit here, and this one is considered as a noise, but the signals still remain at a 58.01. So let's say if the price break through this, I have to consider to exit at losses, but minimum. So let's hope the price can go further down. It's really unclear at this moment why the market react like this. It has been a couple of minutes. that the market tend to go for sideways movement, ups down. But good news is we are back to the positive side. So let's wait. Let's take a look on this. It's quite a huge candle over here. You can see a spike to the upper side, but still remain below our entry point. Just 2 ticks. I'm not really comfortable at this moment. I'm still waiting for the market to break through this 57.79 and go further down. When it go down, it might go more to the downside. Now the price remain around that price level, even though we can see there's a large volume waiting somewhere here. So let's take a look how much the QO 247, 245. This is quite extreme. I need to be more careful. So I've changed my stop loss to this price level, just in case the price remains sideways or cannot go to the downside movement. So here also an update. This is the a bit higher from the current high. Still hoping for the market for all this candle to turn red. We have 10 more minutes, 14 more minutes before this candle change to the new one. And time now is 9:46 a.m. New York time. Okay, now we go further down 7 ticks. This is quite big. So let's see what happened. This could be huge explosion somewhere down. I would like to change this to candle to see. The candle is still green at this moment. The good news, we are on the positive side, but the bad news is not strong enough to push the price further down. Our TP still remain at 57.52. We are now 53 minutes in US session. That means time now is 9:53 a.m. New York time. We are on the positive side. 50 US dollar in profit, 70 US dollar in profit. But still the market didn't show a strong direction where it will go for the next 1 or 2 hours time. We are shorting the market. This is the fastest trade just now, but I didn't manage to close it. So now we maintain the same positions. So a few seconds we're entering at 10 a.m. New York time. So there's one signal for US session 5793. So I just send out the signal live broadcast from my channel. There's a link video in the description. You can click it on it. There's a free subscription for 9 days, and it will trigger any moment soon for this US session signal. So this is our London session signal. This is US session. Both is a short sell. So let's wait for it to be triggered at 57.93. And this is a scalping technique, so expecting around 14 or 15 ticks for a short scalping. So let's wait, it will trigger any moment soon. Okay, we're in the market. If you are following my US session signal, we are in the market. Sorry, not yet. It is supposed to be 57.93, so any moment it will be triggered and go further down. So I'm expecting for it to burst down very fast, but no, I'm not sure. Let's take a look on the larger time frame. The candle previously is green but very tiny doji style type of candle. Looks good. Now 57.92. So if you follow my US session signal, so you are in the market already on the short sell position. So this one I enter from my London position, and US session somewhere here. It's too tiny for the larger time frame. I'm still expecting for the market to boost further down, but well, have to wait patiently. Hopefully it will not reverse back. Market still didn't burst to the downside movement, but keep testing the nearest low at this moment. For the last four candles, we can see for the last four candle of 5 minutes, you can see it keep testing the lowest low, the nearest low, and still didn't penetrate to the downside movement. So let's take a look on the larger time frame. This one is I'm using trading view for 1 hour chart. So supposedly if we go for the short sell, it might burst further down. Still waiting. Let's use a different candle so you can see much more better because of the wick hardly beats in. As for the candle is red, let's wait. Hope to exit this position before 11 a.m. New York time. So I try to avoid the 12 noon time and also 1 o'clock. Oh, something's wrong. Disconnect with internet. Looks good. Let's wait for this candle to be finished in 2 minutes time. Hopefully it will be a strong red bearish candle. Then we have more opportunity for the market to go further down. So I just add in one more position. Somewhere here, you can see small rectangle. This is my second position. I'm using a US session signal to re-enter the market. So I'm still holding my London session signal. Profit now is 160. Okay, looks good. Now 220, 240, 270. 240, 170. About that. Okay, that's good. 300, 320. Just focus on this number. This is my PNL. So it goes further down. 440. So I will exit one position by one. So I exit one position. Second position still remain at still targeting for the market to go further down to 57.52. Not far. We are 57.70. As for my signal for US session, we already hit TP. Okay, I think we almost hit. Let's take a look. we hit, we exit the market, we hit, we already hit the TP target in a few seconds. No hang, we did hit. It was a good one. Already hit the target. So if you watch my video earlier, so this is my target, the yellow line. So we exit at this price level. Now price reverse back. So let's take a look on my profit. So we managed to have a profit because of the slippage. So total profit is 660. So you can take a look over here, 660. The total profit for two position. This is a London position. This is a London position, and this is my US position. So, where I exit. So it was a good trade. So both with a profit target hit, and also in my live broadcast signal, I mentioned okay, hit TP, and the next few seconds, London session also hit TP. So lucky. So we conclude today trading to close. So I finished, done. This is what I do for day trading every day for London and US session. So feel free to click on the link described in the description below for free trial. I got 9 days, so no need to pay anything. Just follow the trade signal. If you are familiar and comfortable with the signal, feel free to join me and the other traders. Thank you. Bye bye. So by the way, that's all for today. We'll see you soon tomorrow. So now the market reverse back very fast. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.